Okay, Bảo Trâm, now we will play a game. Do you want to play a game? In this game, I will give you some pictures and you have to put the picture in the right column. Are you ready? Yeah, the first picture. What animal is it? What animal is it? What animal is it? It's a Trâm. What animal is it? Ah, it's a duck. The second. What animal is it? It's an elephant. Is the elephant big or small? Ah, it's big. Okay, good. The third. What animal is it? It's a dog. Okay, good job. How many legs does a dog have? How many legs? It has four legs. Okay, the last. What is it? Ah, it's an elbow. Okay, good job. Goodbye. Thank you.